Hey everyone, welcome back to the Redcat University. We are going to install some more parts on the Camo X4. These are some option parts that you could pick up right at redcatracing.com. Today we're going to install two parts on the car. We're going to install the axle housing extensions and the aluminum diff covers. The aluminum axle housing extensions are a great item to get if you are really rough on your rig out on the rocks, and the aluminum diff cover, well, it just looks cool. So let's get it installed. First up, we're going to swap out the diff cover. All you need to do here is remove these 4 screws and pull the cover right off. Once you pull the old diff cover off, slip the new one in place, making sure the bump is over the gear. Now reinstall your screws. And now we'll remove our axle extension tube. Start by removing the wheel, and then sliding the 12mm hex off the axle, followed by removing the wheel pin. Now you could remove the extension tube to the axle and slide the tube off. Slide the new aluminum axle tube in place and secure it with the factory screws. Now we'll need to remove the bearing from the extension tube. Simply push it out with your hex driver. Clean it if necessary, and then transfer it to the new tube, followed by reinstalling your wheel pin and your hex. Now repeat the process for the other side. There they are, our new axle extension tubes and diff cover. Links to these products will be listed in the description below. While you're there, please hit that subscribe button, and of course, we'll see you back here next week for another Redcat Racing how-to.